Hapadang kejing yale persyak kinong de jingde halenti yat kejat bat harut surok lani ki hawkers ha kendailan ban Kynriah sekijaka de jingde balapan kret dak sorkar. Haka kendai terek unaitung arhajar% uba Sñiawbhalang Dhar usembut menteri ubri kmi ikatanat urban affairs ulapan pau ya kejing ngos kem bagi hawkers ken Kynriah katkum kejing bu por jong ka sorkar. Kumban syukudau ki officer ka Shillong Municipal Board SMB hakitayaw baladam kila hiar sa kendailat ban kendang ya ki hawkers ki bam dan ya ki certificate of vending COV bat kentu pat ya ki balayo certificate ban Kynriah no sa ki jaka balapan krek ka sorkar kata parking lot ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority muda hapo ka arpu artarik unaitung arja arpusan. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor ba Sñiawbhalang Dhar uloong. Baka sorkar Pyndonkam ban le da kabor ya ki hawkers kenang bakin Kynriah namar Dalade hi kin sa Pynbor ban le chiki jaka baka sorkar kalapan kre.
I'm very confident. I know my peoples, they never go against the government because we are on their behalf. We will try to help them to put them to the right place. Okay, maybe Kyrwoh's defense is there, but hopefully they are all civilized, they are all people understand things. I request them personally from my side to cooperate with the government. We will try to put them in the right place. Yes, maybe it's not possible to give them a good place up to the mark like how they expected. But especially me as a minister, I will work in such a manner so slowly I will try to put them in the right place.
But many are reluctant to shift.
Don't worry, process is on. Put a positive always in the right direction.
Will the government use force if they are reluctant to shift?
That question is an appropriate answer. Why should it force? They will be forced by themselves to go in the right place.
Then how are you planning to meet July 22nd?
Don't worry, government know how to work accordingly. We know how to work accordingly. I'm very confident my people will cooperate with us. I'm very confident.
The deadline doesn't arise, so you have to wait for the August 15th.
Yeah, after we have to wait till the deadline. So after that, so even now, so most of them are relaxed. They always say yes, sir. So
but some are reluctant.
And maybe next week, so I will inspect the place personally by myself to make sure to get a good place, to get a good light and a good toilet. All this, we'll try to make things into place. Because you see, anything you start at the initial stage, pain is always there. And after that, it will be okay. It will fall into place.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha Pyndonkam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya